Hello, friends. Running Kimono here. It's a little story time for you. So, a lot of you were very curious about how I got in trouble because of a Dollar General clearance event. Probably, I'm going to say maybe like 8 years ago, if not longer. I don't have the exact timeline because it's kind of irrelevant. Yesterday, I made a video about my predictions for the clearance events throughout the end of the year. So, I'm looking at, summertime, October, possibly November. And I'm giving you dates and just a guideline from the last 2 years of my predictions. If you want to check out the video, I'll link it at the end. But while I was making the video, I kind of coyly said, getting written up at work for being 3 minutes late because you're at the Dollar General clearance event. And I have my hand up because I've done that. Well, to paint you a picture, probably 10 plus years ago, I was at a Dollar General clearance event where items pennied on that Friday morning, plus the clearance event list was really hot. And this office I was working at, and I'm not going to be very specific, um, start time is 9 a.m., but you had to be there for 8:50, and clock out at the end of your shift was exactly 5 o'clock. You didn't get to leave early, but you had to start early, and your lunch was exactly 30 minutes. And I was only there as a temp, meaning somebody was on a medical leave long term, and I was only supposed to be there for 3 months, but 3 months became 6 months, 6 months became 9 months, and they couldn't fill the position, so they just kept having me as a temp, which I don't even fully know how they could have done that, but they just kept extending it. I got along really well with the manager and the lady in HR, and I was working in two different departments, which was also like stretched to the limits at this workplace, and I was just waiting to get a full-time job. And I also did things for my coworkers, and they didn't really know I couponed. I didn't really advertise it or mention it, but in the ladies' bathroom, I always loved whenever I would get free little items, I would always put a little free sign and just put a little stack of things in the ladies' bathroom. And it was the sort of like workplace that, it was a lot of hard work and, doing stuff, office stuff, Excel all day, just to have something for completely for free in the bathroom that somebody else left. I always thought it would be a joyful thing. And I often heard ladies just, they were really excited by it. And I love to do little surprise and things like that. So it was always like a bright spot that I loved to do when I worked at this place. So, keeping it really brief, that morning I was 3 minutes for clocking in because I was 9:03, probably 13 minutes if you want to be specific, because I should have been there at 8:50. I had a coworker. She was a coworker. She was not my manager, but she acted like the manager of everybody. Always had passive aggressive things, and she called me Joanne. My real name is Rachel. Couldn't learn it, didn't care, irrelevant. And I really got on her nerves because on software like Excel, you can do something in 3 keys instead of 12. So there's shortcuts to any software. Once you learn it, you can do things really quickly. And she never wanted to learn my way, but she was always right. And she'd always say things like, people that cut measures, la 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 la, just sloppy work. But the work was always, approved or whatever. But she always gave me a difficult time and rode me for 9 months straight. Well, one day I was late, and it was probably 6 months into this joyful tenure there. And long story short, nothing was said. It was a Friday morning. I was 13 minutes late because I was there at 9:03, and should have got written up, whatever. I actually mentioned it to my supervisor. Should I just not take a lunch because I was 3 minutes late? He's like, doesn't matter. And anyhow, about 3 months later, I got written up for being tardy that one morning. They waited 3 months to mention it to me. And at the time, I had applied to go into a different department to work. And that was part of the reason why I couldn't get the promotion in a different department. It is what it is. I made a mistake. 13 minutes late. You're bringing it up 3 months later. If I'm not qualified, maybe just be honest. But that's what it was. And, it was just one of these sort of things that it just sucked. And I wasn't looking forward to having another 3 month extension in this department with a very difficult coworker. She rarely went on a lunch break. She was always chained at her desk. And the day that she did take a lunch break, I just finished up my work, and walked out. Never done that since. It's kind of a dirty thing to do in an employer, but looking at the room, I mean, it was just not a great place to work at. And I have to really thank the Dollar General for that clearance event being 13 minutes late, because it gave me a window to leave and to move on to bigger and better. That's it for this video, guys. And if you're in a similar workplace where you're getting bullied and treated poorly, maybe there's a lesson between the lines here that if you can find something better, better conditions, it's time to go. Bye, guys.